Hello, and welcome to Daily Speak, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Alex, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly, so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English. So, let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you have heard the word before. Shadowing. Maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and very powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound, like an echo. You try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone, and the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it feels a little strange. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, how it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, Alex, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I understand. I really do. But here's the good news. You don't need a lot of time. You just need a little time. Every day. Let me share 3 simple habits that can change your English. Habit number 1. Listen to English for 5 minutes every morning. When you wake up, play an English podcast or a short video. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen. Let the sounds enter your ears. Little by little, your brain learns the music of English. Habit number 2. Speak to yourself. Yes, speak to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, say, I am making tea. I am opening the door. I am going to work. This is simple, but it builds confidence fast. Habit number 3. Repeat after me every single day. Use shadowing, like we did today. Choose one short audio and copy it again and again. 5 minutes is enough. Small steps, big results. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to practice a little every day. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak with joy. That's all for today's episode of Daily Speak. Thank you for listening, and thank you for practicing with me. If this helped you, please subscribe to Daily Speak and turn on the bell so you never miss a new episode. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.